Hi guys, my name is Dominic, team leader of Project PERIPHAS, and this year we are representing ARIS at EuRoC 2022. We have manufactured all carbon parts ourselves. Inside this nose cone sits our acoustic levitation payload. Just below it we have our drogue and steerable ram air parachute. The ram air parachute is controlled by the actuator section. It houses all the motors for deploying and steering the parachutes. Then we have our in-house developed separation system for the nose cone. Our electronics rack sits below it. It's the brain of the rocket and it steers all motors above as well as below it. For example, the air brakes, which by extending these flaps are going to allow us to target a precise apogee. Last but not least, we have our motor and fin section, which is going to propel us to 3 kilometers. The completely custom electronics have been designed, assembled and tested right here by the team. It provides us with the accurate measurements we need for get it sent to work. The software that is running on a flight computer has been developed right here. It controls all phases of our mission, like arming, which is triggered through this ground station. The guidance, navigation and control team works on the algorithm that steers the rocket to the landing zone during descent. They do a lot of simulations right here, but we test their system like this.